There is a secret device sitting in the testing labs of Apple Park right now that defies every piece of logic we know about technology. For years, the tech giant from Cupertino has treated its smallest tablet like a neglected middle child, giving it updates only when they felt like it, often years apart. But something shifted in early 2026. A series of supply chain leaks from the heart of Asia has confirmed what we all feared and hoped for. The iPad mini is no longer just a small tablet. It is being reborn as a pocket-sized monster. I'm talking about the iPad mini with the M5 chip. If you think your current tablet is fast, or if you think the iPad mini is just for reading ebooks and checking emails, you are about to be proven dead wrong. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are looking at a device that packs the power of a professional workstation into a frame that fits in the pocket of your cargo pants. But there's a catch, a massive, controversial catch, that Apple doesn't want you to know until the keynote. Imagine walking into a coffee shop, pulling out a device no bigger than a paperback book, and editing 4K multicam footage or running complex 3D renders without a single stutter. This is the promise of the M5 silicon inside the Mini. But why now? Why would Apple finally give the Mini the respect it deserves? The answer lies in the shifting landscape of the American workforce. We are more mobile than ever. We are tired of lugging around 16-inch laptops. We want power, but we want it to be invisible. The iPad mini M5 is Apple's answer to the ultramobile revolution. In this video, we are uncovering everything. The end of the jelly scrolling nightmare, the introduction of a screen technology that shouldn't be possible at this size, and the integration of Apple Intelligence 2.0 that turns this tiny slab of glass into a literal genius. You cannot afford to turn this off, because if you've been looking for the perfect device, you might just find that it's much smaller than you expected. Let's start with the heart of the matter, the M5 chip. Up until now, the iPad mini has always lived on the A-series chips, the same ones found in iPhones. It was powerful, sure, but it wasn't Mac-level powerful. By moving the mini to the M5 architecture, Apple is breaking the glass ceiling. The M5 is built on a refined 3-nanometer process that prioritizes thermal management. This is crucial. In a small body like the Mini, heat is the enemy. But the M5 is so efficient that it can run at peak performance for longer stretches without the back of the device feeling like a hot plate. We are talking about an 8-core CPU and a 10-core GPU that puts the latest Windows Ultrabooks to shame. For gamers in the US, this is the holy grail. Imagine playing Resident Evil or Death Stranding with console-quality graphics and ray tracing on a device you can hold with one hand. It changes the entire value proposition of handheld gaming. But the chip is only half the story. The biggest complaint about the iPad mini 6 and 7 was the display, specifically the jelly scrolling effect where one side of the screen updated faster than the other. It was a deal-breaker for many. The leaks for the M5 model suggest that Apple is finally introducing ProMotion to the Mini. 120 Hz refresh rate on an 8.3-inch canvas. This isn't just about smooth scrolling, it's about the Apple Pencil Pro. With 120 Hz, the latency drops to almost zero. It feels like real ink on real paper.